guys, we're here. It's public holiday and I'm going to bowling with my friends. So we'll see you later, guys. Bye.
I just got that three.
等一下，还没有，那 Sebastian 多一个。Oh, close, Sebastian. One left.
You did not interrupt it.
Quite close.
One more! One! Oh, it's my turn, it's my turn. I don't video Oh my god, run away from that guy. How do you feel good? I feel good. You wanna hide from me, huh? You can't see me anymore. He's gonna change. It's your turn, right? Am I interrupting again? No, you're not around today. Are you ready? Bye. One more! Wow! Wow! Oh, how do you think? That was epic. This is Hide and Play. G'day, mate. And this is me, Dane the Bear. That's our friend Johnny. You got 2 more left. Wow. You did good now. You got 82. Mike is still in the lead. Kaiden and me are tied, and Jonathan is the second place. What is that for? Okay, so we're gonna finish it up later on. My big brother's in the lead. See you later. Mike is in the Baby Bear Zane's channel. So we'll see you later. How do you feel now, Hayden? I'm really glad that we're both still in. Yeah, I feel really really good since we're tied up. So, why? Subscribe to this channel and my channel called Kydn Plays. KYDNPLAC. You got 6 points and I got 7. Yo! I'm a big fan. For my camera is taking for Ranger. It's now here. Recording. Today, mates, I am still waiting for my turn and still so long, and it's now Z. And after this, I'll make it a quick, so things not. Yeah. Zoe. Oh, the banyo. Zoe. Wow, why do you say that? Okay, so you're gonna have a YouTube channel soon, right? Yeah, how you know? You told me.
Is it enough? Big a bite?
I was eating cookies when I won in bowling. The first time I ever won. Yeah. I know. When I got my parents. I won. Okay. Get my granny, my granny. Yeah. Your whole family, right? I get to teach my granny how to bowl. Wow. It's almost your turn, right? Zoe's being annoying. Wow. Wow. She got 23. 2, 1. Let her rip. Well, you wouldn't say a baby wait if it was. Let it rip. Let it rip. Let it rip. Let it rip. What happened? What happened? What happened? Okay. So we'll see. You really want to get a strike, right? You said you wanted to get a strike, right? Yep. I want a strike. What's your ball? What number's your ball? 6. What was that for? Oh, that's slapping each other.
go, go. 3 more minutes. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Ready? They don't go. Try yourself. Go, go, go. Try, try. I got it, I got it. Woo! Mel, Mel, your turn, your turn. 争取时间 3 more minutes. Go on, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Emma's turn. 1 minute. What? Continue, continue. One more time, yeah, one more time. Go, Tanya.
I know, but like, is it me or did my points get low? Yeah, you got like 46 and I got 45, and Jonathan, you got 58. I like every first hit now, like you always get the same one. Yeah, like now I get the same one because like every first hit I did hit the cones, but it just didn't give me any points. I looked at the point like 20 times. Yeah, like 23 times. Something like that. Yeah. So it's so weird. Like, is it like someone who's controlling me or what? Maybe I have spare inside of it. Okay, sorry. So it's the end of the video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video.